Feeling stuck with wasteful habits but think going zero waste is too expensive? Think again. You don't have to spend big to live a low-waste lifestyle. Welcome back to Life Tips. Today, we're sharing 7 low-waste habits that are not only eco-friendly but also easy on your wallet. Ready to save the planet and your budget? Let's get started. First things first, use what you already have. You don't need to buy expensive eco-friendly products right away. Old jars, cloth towels, and containers you already own can be reused and repurposed before investing in new items. Instead of buying chemical cleaners in plastic bottles, try making your own. A simple mix of vinegar and water works wonders for cleaning surfaces, and it's much cheaper than store-bought alternatives. Plus, no harsh chemicals. Next, ditch disposable paper napkins and use cloth instead. Cloth napkins are reusable, easy to wash, and add a touch of style to your meals. You can find them at thrift stores or repurpose old fabrics for an extra budget-friendly option. Habit 4. Buy secondhand. Buying secondhand is a great way to reduce waste and save money. Check out thrift stores, online marketplaces, or community swaps for everything from clothing to home goods. Reusing what's already out there keeps items out of landfills and gives them a second life. Habit 5. Meal plan to reduce food waste. Meal planning is a budget-friendly way to reduce food waste. By planning your meals and sticking to a shopping list, you'll avoid impulse purchases and throw away less food. Less waste means more money in your pocket. Habit 6. Carry a reusable water bottle. Carrying a reusable water bottle is one of the simplest low-waste habits. Not only does it eliminate the need for plastic bottles, but it also saves you from constantly buying bottled water when you're out and about. Habit 7. Repair, don't replace. Finally, when something breaks, try to repair it instead of replacing it. Whether it's sewing a tear in your clothes or fixing small appliances, learning to repair saves you money and reduces waste. There are plenty of tutorials online to help you get started. You don't need to break the bank to start living a low-waste lifestyle. These simple, budget-friendly habits can make a huge difference for the planet and your finances. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more low-waste and sustainable living tips. What are your favorite budget-friendly low-waste habits? Let us know in the comments.